Science is a way of knowing about the world. It shows how organisms have changed over time, and anything that can be observed or measured is important to scientific investigations.
Science is the systematic study of the structure and behavior of the physical and natural world through observation and experiment.
The nature of science seeks a recognition of the values implicit to the development of theories and statements.
Explosions show the interaction of components with their environment.
Wow, that's cool. That was a little cooler, wasn't it?
Yeah.
It's gonna go really hard.
Science is important because it teaches us interactions so we can better understand the environment we live in.
Science teaches us why we survive and why Earth is a stable environment. We are able to explain the universe and why we are able to live here.